and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run our favorite binary option robot, Alpha 1 iBot. You can too, it's completely for free. Just use the link you see up there right now and you can sign up. Minimum deposit is $100, just so you know. But also make sure then you use your promo code and make your first deposit count, because you get 100% on your first deposit, okay? And also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, of course, and lastly, if you have any comments, put them below the video. And as you can see here on my channel right now, I am giving away all my Forex signals at Telegram. It's completely free. You can join and you can see all my signals for Forex. You find link below the video if you want. If that's something that interests you, link below the video for that also. So let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. And just like that, we made, let's see, $1,463 in matter of 7 minutes. You can too, link below the video. So that, have an amazing day.